Floral 1 is blended with an elaborate variety of orchids and other scent notes. Its complexity and diversity makes this intriguing and beautiful fragrance. Dominating the scent of Floral 1 is this native orchid. You would have most likely chanced upon this orchid before. Its gorgeous appearance have made it a popular choice for displays at hotels or office receptions. Besides its graceful blooms, it exudes a brilliant fragrance of sweet and spicy hues. Therapeutic orchids also form part of this composition. Their relaxing and calming attributes make them an important ingredient for various Ayurvedic and herbal medicines. Let's find out more about them. Parts of this therapeutic orchid can be made into paste for topical application or for consumption. Used to treat stiffness or muscle spasm, it is also applied to heal sores and skin fungal infection. The decoction of the fruits and roots of the plant is used for treating gonorrhea. Interestingly, it's been used as a hair tonic for scalp diseases. Mainly used in Ayurvedic medicines, this orchid helps treat a variety of diseases and conditions, ranging from fever, blood disorders, hemorrhage, to dizzy spells. Adding on this harmonious blend is the lively introduction of guaiac woods and violet and rose scents. An exotic woody ingredient, guaiac wood scent is extracted from a small tree called Palo Santo, which also translates to tree of life. Characterized by its woody, balsamic, smoky scent with leathery undertones, this ingredient adds warmth and intrigue to the fragrance. Other than its uses in perfumery, its smoky, incense-like aroma helps therapeutically during meditation to soothe and cleanse the mind of negatives. Violet has an elusive and delicate scent that is both florally sweet and powdery, yet with hints of airy and dewy nuances. Deep, rich, and alluring, it inevitably adds a greater depth and complexity to the fragrance. Combined with other floral notes in the composition such as rose, it makes for an amazing scent that is highly addictive. A charming fragrance that evokes gentle and romantic qualities, perfect for the soft, sweet, caring, and kind-hearted gentleman out there.